Good morning. Well, we are here at my newest listing, 1671 Dominguez Ranch in Corona. And I'm going to give you a walking tour of this property today, but I wanted to show you the outside first. From the front yard, this is your view. Absolutely gorgeous hillside view right here on a corner lot at the end of a cul-de-sac. Low maintenance front yard, beautiful entryway, 3-car garage, so ample parking. The neighbors are taking care of their lawns today. And Dominguez Ranch Road goes straight down for easy access to the freeway. Let's head on into the property. Here we go. Tall ceilings. Tiled flooring. Very, very tall ceilings. Lots of windows with natural light. Wood burning fireplace. Formal dining room. Kitchen access. Living room, which we'll go and see shortly. Beautiful stairs. And downstairs. This is our half bath here. A coat closet. Let's take a look at this coat closet here. All the way back to the front. Okay, let's leave our living room now and head on over to the master. So from here, this will be your downstairs laundry that heads into the garage. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Double doors to the primary, which is right downstairs. Large, ample lighting, tall ceilings, lots of wall space for those family photos. And yes, that's a king. With French doors that go outside. Private toilet closet. Two sinks and a vanity. Deep soaking tub. Isn't that great? It's one of my favorite features. With a stand-up shower. take a look at this closet. See what we can get. Like, I usually don't do closets, but I think it's important. Ooh, look at this deep closet.
Send me a picture.
Yeah, I bet. I bet.
With a newspaper.
What's new? Really nothing. We just working.
All right. Heading into the kitchen from the dining room. Tile flooring. Great coffee bar.
So far.
It's okay. It's slow. I don't know where we want to be, but the activity is great right now. A lot of activity. A lot of people getting qualified.
Out a little bit, give you a good view.
But we run into this from time to time. I mean, like every.
Lots of natural light. Stainless steel appliances. Lots and lots of cabinetry. Small but mighty.
They went from 6.5 to 6.375, which is still the same thing. So if you go online, oh yeah, you can get 5.875. You're perfect. But that's not yours. You know what I mean? So if you look into the rates, lenders are putting out 5s and 4s. But even our website is putting out 5s and 4s. And you're going to provide them into it. If you're a perfect scenario, if you're 20% or more down, then that's going to happen.
Deep sink.
Those markets, those sixes.
Let's get one more. I love the coffee bar. It's the first thing I do in the morning. Great little dining area, breakfast area away from the formal. I love all this natural light. Look at those blue skies that you can just enjoy with your coffee or tea in the morning. Which takes us right around to our living room. Another fireplace. Just a tall hearth. Right up to our backyard. Let's go upstairs. Oh yeah. One thing I really love about these stairs is it gives you a panoramic view. All the way around. Bedrooms. This bedroom can double as an office. All the way down to the living room. This will be the first bedroom as you come up to the loft. Closet. Brand new flooring. Nice and open and airy. Takes us to two more bedrooms. Coat storage here. Towels or linens or whatnot. The first bedroom on the left. Pretty large looking. Big windows. Recessed lighting. All new carpet. Same over here. Give you guys a 360 view. And even from the bedrooms, you just have a beautiful view of those peekaboo hills. $1 million views. Right up front, peeking right behind those trees. Which takes us to the full bath. Tile flooring. Trying to get a better shot here. All the way around. And back. Alright. Well, got a pretty good view up here. That's upstairs. Let's head back down. Okay. We are leaving the house. Let's get a view from the cul-de-sac. And now that I have driven you up, let's go. I'm gonna go around one more time. All right. This is gonna have to be edited. Woo, getting dizzy. It's such a beautiful view. It's worth it one more time. You can stop now, sir. All right. Woo-wee. Here we go. We're now at Dominguez Ranch.